The Franke Building Supplies app makes the buying of materials quick and easy. The homepage features popular seasonal ranges as well as product offers to help you keep up to date with all our best deals. If you press the branches button on the navigation bar, you'll see a map with a list of all of the building supplies branches. Press the Set Home button on your local branch to see live stock availability when you browse for products. Browse our full range of products with our user-friendly interface and near instant loading times on all our products. Press the More button on your navigation bar to view your account details and see extra app features. On this menu, you can view your orders and view your notifications window that notifies you when the status of your order is updated. You can also speak to our experienced sales team via the live chat if you need any support or information regarding our products or services. Scan the barcode or click the link below to download the Franke Building Supplies app.